Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you and compare two CRM programs. The first one is Keap and the second one is Pipedrive. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these products. We will also check the pricing plans, and at the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start away with Keap. Keap is intuitive sales, CRM and marketing automation software that can be utilized by businesses to enhance their sales and save time as well. Companies get to generate more leads, sort them out, and forward the right kind of messages to the right people. They can also trust on the particular to generate a robust customer experience and gather loyal patrons. Its inbuilt features and functionality includes email, marketing, reporting and analytics, sales pipeline, CRM, sales and marketing automation, appointments, payments, and more. Users can leverage Keap to generate custom forms and embed them within their landing pages and websites. This also helps them trigger automated actions in real time. Inbuilt SMS and email marketing features help users forward broadcast messages to individual target groups, driving in greater sales. They can also automate the entire sales follow-up and enhance lead conversion rates through the sales pipeline. They are offering very generous support at business hours and also online, and it's made only or preferably for medium and small businesses. We can also check the UI. As you can see, we have this 14-day left bundle, which is made out of Pro option from the pricing plans. We can see our contacts. At the moment there's only one, and it's me, but you can easily add more and also label them as you please. You have new leads, new clients, repeat clients, sales, quotes, and also invoices. This is a very nice way how to track your invoices or create them, so you don't have to employ another program or another software to do your invoices. If you are keeping them simple, this is very nice way how you can create it. You can connect the bank and create the invoice accordingly. Now you have your classic CRM tasks and CRM appointments, money, broadcast, automations, pipeline, and reposts. Those you have with Pro. So if you're running with Lite, you won't be able to go with pipelines and reports. With Keap and every other CRM software, it's very important for you to actually go with integrations, or at least try to go with the integrations. That way you can basically get the best out of your CRM, just to integrate it, for example, with the best features of Pipedrive, and you get the ultimate version. To the pricing plans. Let's start at 500 contacts, but you can go up to 25k. But after 25k, you have to contact sales to basically tailor you the option for you, because you are clearly too big. You can start with a light option, which is $56 a month, but only for first 3 months. And every user you want to add more, it's $30 each. Then Pro option and Max. It's pretty easy to set up them, and it's just completely up to you how many you want to work with. But let's talk about the Pipedrive. Pipedrive, a CRM software built with intuitive interfaces, clean layouts, and a simple user experience to help you manage your customer relations efficiently. An easy to customize software, Pipedrive CRM serves you the way you want to, according to your needs. The software is built around sales pipeline monitoring methodology which offers a quality visual interface prompting users you to take appropriate action, stay organized, and monitor challenging sales processes. The email integration feature connects automatically to the contacts and displays everything that's happening with a particular prospect at one place. It's also made for medium and small businesses and also freelancers, and you can run it on Android and iOS as well. It's very classic CRM where you are horizontally assigning your tasks into your workspace. Then you can track it and vice versa. So you can basically have everything under one roof, ready to be addressed with your employees, and you can upload files, download files, and basically do everything you need to do to achieve the maximum effectiveness. Let's check the pricing. You can see if you want to be billed monthly or annually, but let's go with the annual option. We have option of essential, so you get organized and set up simple sales. It's $12.50 per month if you are billed annually and you want to try it for free. Then advanced is $24.90, billed annually, and you can also go with a 14-day trial and easily get along all these features. Then professional and enterprise. With enterprise, you have unlocked basically every feature that they are providing, and I strongly recommend you, if you want to check or decide between Keap and Pipedrive, go with the free options as I did. You can really check the features if they are for you, if you can get along with them, and if you can understand it, or you feel like your employees need more training to learn how to operate in Pipedrive or Keap. Let's try to log in as I did before. Start with Google. Yeah, but I am afraid that I run out of my free time with Pipedrive, sadly. But as I said, it's pretty much easy to set up, and you should try it. In my opinion, I would really go with Pipedrive rather than Keap, because I feel it's more transparent and as close as Monday or ClickUp that you can get, and it's very easily integrated with others. If you have more questions, please leave them underneath this video, and also if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Have a great day.